So welcome back to our Checkpoint API series. In the last video we covered how to create a session and save the session ID for future commands. Today we will continue creating and managing objects using API. We will walk through the steps to create and edit new objects, showing you how to add, edit and remove them seamlessly. So now every time we start a new session, we need to create the SID again. So as you can see here, I've tried to log in and now it's this session, wrong session. So it says the session may be expired. So to create a new session, we do as we did before, mgmt log in user admin password and then the server, and then we send that to a file. We call it sid2.txt. So now if we want to show the object that we created before, mgmt show host name new host s sid.txt. Now we can see all the attributes of that host, the IP address, everything that we could need, and all this information can be used if we will in the future we will write a script and run a script on the Checkpoint firewall. We can use this information in that script to find information. The same way we can delete. So mgmt delete host new host. So here we can see this error. Parameters of delete host command should be provided in pairs key and value. That tells us that I have missed something here, and it is the name here, name. And then as usual we take the S key and then sid2.txt. And now the object is gone, and we can check that on. So we can do as this and new host. So now we can see that this object that we deleted in the CLE by the command is locked, and we need to continue the publish this session so that we can delete that object wherever. So mgmt publish s sid2.txt. %. Now it's done. Can check again, and now it's gone, that object. So now we will continue and create a network by using an API command. So mgmt add network name new network submit. You can take anything here and submit mask. Is like this. Then, as usual, s sid to txt. Okay, again, mgmt show network new network. In this case, I forgot to add the SID, so it asks me about username and password. We cancel that. S SID to txt. So this error, because the network name is 2 words, so we must have them inside the quotes, and we need to add the name so that the command becomes a pair. So again, quote here and name, and now we can see the information about that network. So now we need to, if we need to edit the network, so if we will edit object that we have created, so mgmt, and this time is set network name new network. So if we need to change the name, it will be new name like this, and inside quotes new network, for example. Then we need to change the color red, and if we need to change the subnet like this, mask length, and then S and SID to txt. Voila, it's done. And we can check that, but if we can check on the smart console, we need to publish the session. So mgmt publish SID to txt. Okay, we have something wrong here. Okay, S like this, and publish, and then we can check what we have done in the smart console. And here in the smart console, we check the new network. It is red, and subnet is as we decided. So now a real world scenario could be a dynamic cloud environment. So imagine you are a network administrator for a company that has a significant portion of its infrastructure hosted on a cloud platform, such as AWS or Azure. The organization regularly spins up new instances for development, testing of production environments, and each of these instances needs to be appropriately managed in your checkpoint security infrastructure. So the problem is manually adding and modifying and deleting these network objects for each new cloud instance can be time consuming and prone to errors. This manual process can also lead to delays in deployment. So the solution, by using APIs, you can automate the entire process of managing network objects ensuring that your security infrastructure is always up to date and consistent. So now it's time to listen to our friend Matilda.
If you want more luck, seize more opportunities. Be proactive and consistent. Step out of your comfort zone, engage frequently, and pursue your goals with determination. The more you actively participate and show up, the greater your chances of success. Thank you for watching.
And as she said, so thank you for watching and see you next time.